Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make steak stir-fry. First, select a good cut of steak, like flank or sirloin, and slice 1 pound of it thinly against the grain. This ensures tenderness in every bite. Next, gather about 3 cups of your favorite stir-fry vegetables, such as bell peppers, snap peas, and broccoli florets, and chop them uniformly. Finally, prepare your sauce by whisking together 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger, and 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Now let's get cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, like canola or peanut oil, in a large skillet or wok over high heat until it shimmers. Add your sliced steak in small batches, cooking each batch for only 2-3 minutes until beautifully browned. Remove the steak from the pan and set it aside. This quick searing locks in flavor and prevents the meat from becoming tough. With the steak seared, it's time for the vegetables. Add another 1 tablespoon of oil to the same pan, if needed, and toss in your prepared vegetables. Stir-fry them for 3-5 minutes until they are crisp tender, retaining a slight bite. Then, return the seared steak to the pan. Pour your whisked sauce mixture evenly over everything, ensuring all ingredients are coated. Finally, let the flavors meld together. Continue to cook the stir-fry for just 1-2 more minutes, stirring constantly, until the sauce has slightly thickened and coats all the ingredients beautifully. Remove from heat immediately to prevent overcooking. Serve your delicious steak stir-fry hot over a bed of fluffy rice or your favorite noodles for a satisfying meal. Remember to check the description for links to great deals, including those amazing darn tough socks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.